up, VTubers? Are you confused about which customizable model to choose for your debut or even for your daily streams? Worry not. I am Ali, and today I'll help you to make that decision much easier. I have handpicked the best customizable models from 2025, breaking down their pros, cons, pricing, and which model is best for you. Let's get started. Number 1, Prism Customizable Model. This is actually the main model that I'm using right now. Why Prism stands out? Multiple unique outfits, tons of customizable options, many toggles, and regular version updates. Visually, one of the best looking models available on the market with the price tag of $135, both available on Coffee and Vegan. Cons: rigging feels a little bit stiff, not as bouncy or expressive like other models. You will need to tweak the physics sliders a little bit to make it very bouncy if you want. Best for experienced VTubers who want deep customizations and variety in their model. Number 2, Suica model. By now you all know this, Suica is easily the most popular and fan favorite customizable model of all time. Pros: it has a massive customization options with excellent rigging and it's very expressive. It's very smooth and it's super bouncy. It has a huge community of artists with a lot of custom add-ons and a lot of updates. At the price tag of 115, you can get the Suica model from both Coffee and VJ. Cons: limited clothing option, few toggles compared to other customizable models. Best for new VTubers who want a safe and a powerful start. Number 3, Zen Customizable Model. If you're looking for a cute, expressive, and lively Zen is a great pick for you. Pros: very beautiful and adorable design. It has a high quality rigging, extremely bouncy and expressive. It has lots of toggles and it has a lot of customization. Regular updates from the creator. Price $110. You can get from both Coffee and VJ. Cons: very limited clothing options and it's very less. Best for VTubers who love expressive movement and personality. Quick comparison summary: Prism, best outfits and visual variety, tons of sliders and toggles, need physics tweaking. Suica, best rigging overall, massive community support, fewer outfit options. Zen, most expressive and bouncy, cute and lively, limited clothing variety. So, which one you should choose? If you're new to VTubing, I highly recommend Suica or Zen. Both offer easy setup, huge customizations, frequent updates, and it's a very beginner friendly model. Want more toggles? Please go ahead with the Zen customizable model. Want more strong community support? Please go ahead with the Suica model. If you're an experienced VTuber, go with the Prism. It's one of the best customizable models right now with multiple outfits, unique visuals, deep customization. Just a reminder, please make sure that you play with the physics sliders to unlock its full expressiveness. My final thoughts. All three models are excellent in their own way, and it really depends on your experience level, your stream style, whether you prefer outfits, expressiveness, or your community support. Let me know in the comment which model are you planning to use for 2026. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.